Harriet, she's snoring a lot. Yeah, we've been watching TV together.
So admittedly peaked in high school. What's life like for you now? 29 male. Until recently, high school was the peak of my life. In high school, I was good looking, popular, athletic, and a decent student. My parents were rich and I had a BMW. I played varsity soccer all 4 years at a school of 2,500 kids and was recruited by Division One schools all over the country. The college was a good experience as well until the very end when I realized I was not good enough to become a pro soccer player. I graduated with a communications degree because I had no idea what I wanted to do. Big mistake. After college, I had a horrible time finding a job. I ended up working the front desk at a gym near my parents' house for 3 years. I would open the gym at 5 a.m. 5 days a week. A lot of the people that came